Hello viewers, welcome. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you beautiful parrots. Parrots are well known for their stunning and colorful appearance, which has earned them the nickname flying jewels. Their bright and vibrant feathers make them one of the most visually striking birds in the world. Here are some ways in which parrots showcase their beauty. Parrots come in a wide range of colors, from bright reds and blues to rich greens and yellows. Many species have bold patterns and striking contrasts, which can make them appear even more eye-catching. Some parrots have unique features that add to their overall beauty. For example, the sulfur-crested cockatoo has a distinctive yellow crest on its head, while the scarlet macaw has a large, curved beak that is bright red and blue. During the breeding season, male parrots may perform elaborate displays to attract females. This can involve puffing up their feathers, spreading their wings, and even dancing or vocalizing. Parrots are also renowned for their graceful and acrobatic flight, which can be a sight to behold. Many species have long, pointed wings that allow them to soar through the air with ease. In addition to their physical beauty, parrots are also beloved for their charming and charismatic personalities. They are highly intelligent and social animals that can form strong bonds with their human caregivers. Overall, parrots are truly stunning birds that showcase their beauty in a variety of ways, from their vivid feathers to their playful personality.